Hi everyone, yeah, it's me again, Mariel, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video is panibagong math tutorial na naman tayo. Kaya kung bago ka pa lang sa ating YouTube channel is wag mo na syempre kalimutang mag-subscribe. I-like itong video and i-hit mo na din yung notification bell down below para naman palagi kang updated sa ating mga bagong uploads. So sa mga hindi pa nga nakakaalam, ayan, si Ma'am Mariel po ay gumagawa ng mga math tutorial videos and meron din tayong vlogging, syempre, dito sa ating YouTube channel. So bago ang lahat, please, huwag mo muna kalimutang mamiti. Ayan, smile ka muna and then let us proceed. Para sa video na ito, what are we going to discuss is all about polygons. Ayan. So, i-discuss natin ang iba't ibang klase ng polygons. What are polygons and not polygons? The concave and the convex polygons. The regular polygons, irregular polygons, and the classification of polygons and the congruent polygons. Kaya naman kung ito na yung lesson na hinahanap mo, panoorin mo ito hanggang dulo. Alright? So, this is for grade 7 students. Pwede din pang elementary students. Okay? So, before anything else, alamin muna natin, saan ba nagmula ang polygon? So, polygon came from two Greek words, which is the poly and the gon, which is poly means many, and gon means angle. That's why it is called as polygon, many angles. So, ayan nga, bagong lahat, alamin muna din natin kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng polygon. A polygon is a closed plane figure made up of line segments such that each endpoint of one segment is also the endpoint of the other segment. So, yun na nga ang ibig sabihin ng polygon, ano? Any plane figures which has three or more sides and a closed plane figure. Alright? And ngayon naman, ano yung mga examples ng mga shapes na hindi polygons? So, yung mga shapes na hindi polygons is anything curve, yung naka-curve na mga shapes. Like for example, the circle, the sphere, ayan, heart, and any 3D objects. Why? Bakit hindi kasali yung mga 3D objects? Kasi nga, a polygon is just a plain closed figure. Alright? So now let us discuss the parts of a polygon. And these are the sides, the vertices, the angles, and the diagonals. So iisa-isahin nga natin. So take a look at this figure. We have here a polygon. Polygon P-E-N-C-I-L or polygon pencil. Alright? So what are we going to do is to identify all the sides of this polygon. And what do we mean when we say sides? Ito yung mga segments, ayan, mga linya or line segment na nagjo-join with each other to form a polygon. Yan, yun yung mga sides natin. So, iisa-isahin natin kung ano-ano yung mga sides nitong polygon na ito. We have the side PE, ayan. Side EN, ayan. This is the side on how are you going to write a segment. This is segment PE, segment EN, yan, segment NC, segment CI, segment IL, segment LP. So by that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides of a polygon. Ano kaya to kung meron tayong 6 sides, 6 na sides ng polygon? So this is a hexagon, right? And mamaya i-discuss ko ang classifications of a polygon depending on its side, alright? So always remember na kapag pinagsama-sama mo yung measurement ng lahat ng sides ng isang polygon, that is what we call the perimeter. Okay? Now, let us identify what are the vertices of this polygon. So, ang vertices, siya naman yung mga point of intersection ng mga segment. Like, for example, side PE and side EN. Ang vertex nito is itong E. Kasi, siya yung pinaka-point of intersection. Right? So, we have points P and E, N, C, I, and L. Those are the vertices of this polygon. Alright? So now let us discuss the diagonals. So when we say diagonals, it is a line segment that joins any two consecutive vertices. For example, in this polygon pencil, the diagonals are, ayan, we have segment PC, ayan, and also we have segment LN. So ang diagonals natin is nasa interior lang siya ng ating polygon. Nasa loob lang siya. So, share ko lang din, ito yung formula kung paano natin makukuha kung ilang diagonals mayroon ng isang polygon. Like, for example, we have here a hexagon, right? Which is, it has 6 sides. Therefore, itong N, it stands for the sides of a polygon, or how many sides are there in a polygon. For example, we have yan, 6 sides, so 6 times 6 minus 3 divided by 2. And we have 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Times 6 is 18. Divided by 2 is 9. Therefore, meron tayong 9 na diagonals. Alright? And dalawa pa lang yung nakukuha nating diagonals. Segment PC and segment LN. So, hanapin natin yung iba pang diagonals. We have 1, 2. Ayan. 3, 4, 5, 6, alin pa yung hindi natin na-join? Ito. 7, 8, 9. So, ayan. Medyo nakakalito lang. Basta all the vertices, kailangan mayroon silang mapapag-joinan to each other. Enable for you to find the diagonals. And ngayon nga, para mahanap talaga natin siya and medyo mahirap siyang hanapin dito, lalo na kailangan mo siyang isa-isahin. Since madami siya, 9 na diagonals, kasi nga na-solve na natin siya and it is a hexagon, therefore, kailangan natin siyang hanapin, right? Hindi na natin isinulat yung diagonals dito, no? Since alam nyo naman na those segment joining any two consecutive vertices are called diagonals. Ayan, we have LC, EI, and so many more. So, hindi na natin sinulat, okay? And now, we're going to discuss the angles or the interior angles. So, itong angle natin, of course, pwede din tayong mag-base sa vertices para mahanap natin yung angle. So, alam naman natin yung mga angle, no? Yan. Angle P. Yan. Angle E. Angle N. Angle C. Angle I. And angle N. So, again, what are the parts of a polygon? We have the sides, the vertices, the diagonals, and of course, the angle. Alright? And now, let's discuss the convex and the concave polygon. So, ano-ano ba yung mga properties meron kay convex and kay concave? So, with regards with its points or yung mga vertices niya is laging palabas or outward, pa-outside. For example, in this polygon, etong mga vertices niya, palagi siyang paganyan, palabas, or nakaturo palabas. Ayan, this one, and also this one. While kay concave naman, palagi niyong tatandaan na kapag sinabing concave polygon, with regards on its vertices, one or more vertices is pa-inward or paloob. Like for example, this one. Etong vertex na to is paloob siya. Yan, papunta sa interior ng ating polygon. And also this one. And also this one. Although meron silang mga vertices na pa-outward, kaya lang one or more vertices is pa-inward. So that is what we call a concave polygon. So ma-identify din natin if a polygon is a convex or concave depending on its diagonal. Kapag sa convex, ang diagonal natin is always pass through the interior. Ibig sabihin, nasa loob lang palagi siya. For example, ito. Yan, ang mga diagonals natin dito is nasa loob. Yan. Dito naman sa ating triangle, it has no diagonals, right? But it is still a polygon. Alright? A convex polygon. And palagi nating tatandaan that all triangles are convex. And we have also here, ayan, nasa loob yung kanyang diagonals, tama? Ayan. Okay? So, therefore, these are a convex polygon. And marami pang mga shapes, no? Na convex and concave. So, kailangan alam natin yung properties nila in able for us to find or to identify what is a convex or a concave polygon. Okay? So, while editing, napansin ko na hindi ko pala na-discuss yung diagonals in a concave polygon. Alright? So, nag-focus ako sa convex. And as you can see nga dito sa figure na ito, meron ditong dalawang polygons, concave and a convex one. So, kung napapansin nyo dito sa first figure natin, a concave polygon in which a diagonal can be drawn outside the polygon. Basta yung diagonals niya is na-drawing siya outside the polygon or makakapag-connect kayo ng vertices from outside, it is a concave polygon. Alright? So, ma-identify din natin if a polygon is a convex or a concave depending on its angle. So, for example, dito sa convex polygon, all interior angles, when we say interior angles, lahat ng angles na nasa loob. Okay? Ayan, all interior angles are less than 180 degree. Okay, or less than straight line. Therefore, pwede siyang ganyan, ganyan, or ganyan. Basta, less than 180 degree. Ang 180 degree natin, ayan, straight line. Alright? And yan, we have a less than 180 degree. Remember, kapag naman yung angle is gumanyan, halimbawa, lumagpas siya ng straight line, or bumaba siya, that is greater than 180 degree. And yun na nga is a property of a concave polygon. One or more angles, kapag nag-form ng greater than 180 degree, that is a concave polygon. For example, this one. Ayan. Bumaba siya sa straight line. Tama? Parang lumiko siya, gumanyan. Ito yung straight line, gumanyan. That is greater than 180 degree. Pero yung pagganyan, yan, less than 180 degree pa yan, okay? Basta kapag bumaba siya like this one, that is greater than 180 degree. And kapag nga one or more angles dito sa ating polygon is greater than 180 degree, therefore, that is a concave polygon. Kahit na yung iba ay less than. Yan, less than 180 degree yan. Ito lang yung greater than 180 degree. Okay? So, therefore, this is a concave polygon. And this one also. Ayan, greater than 180 degree. And also this one. Ayan. Okay? So, those are the properties. Yan. As you can see, meron akong tatlong properties na ibinigay kay convex and kay concave polygon. Alright? So, kapag napansin nyo yun sa dalawang yon, you can easily identify a convex and a concave polygon. As simple as that. So, remember, polygons are classified according to the number of its sides, okay? So, ito nga, ipa-flash ko sa screen. Kailangan nating i-master the classification of a polygons. Kapag ang polygon is mayroong 3 sides, it is called as triangle. 4 sides, it is a quadrilateral. 5 sides, it is a pentagon. 6 sides, it is a hexagon. 7 sides, it is a heptagon. 8 sides, it is an octagon. 9 sides, it is a nonagon. 10 sides, it is a decagon. 11 sides, it is a decagon. 12 sides, it is dodecagon. And remember, kapag naman ang polygon ay mayroong 13 sides and more, that is what we call an n-gon. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple. So, huwag nyo kalimutang i-memorize ito, no? So, dapat alam din natin to, no? It is a classification of a polygon. Alright? So, ngayon nga is, i-discuss naman natin kung ano yung regular polygon and an irregular polygon and also a congruent polygons. Okay? So, when we say regular polygon, palagi nyung tatandaan, okay? It is a polygon with equal sides and equal angle. Meaning to say, when we say equal sides, it is equilateral. And while equal angles, that is what we call equiangular. Okay? Equilateral and equiangular. Kapag ganun yung scenario, that is a regular polygon. For example, we have here a square. A square is one of the best example of a regular polygon. Why? Kasi ang square po ay pare-parehas ang kanilang angles. Like for example, this is 90 degree. Lahat ito ay 90 degree. Okay? And pare-parehas din yung kanilang sides. Pare-parehas ng measurement. For example, this is 3 cm. Lahat ng sides niya is also 3 cm. And remember, dapat parehas sila, pare-parehas yung angle, pare-parehas yung sides. That is equiangular and equilateral, and that is a regular polygon. Next is the irregular polygons. The best example of an irregular polygons is a rectangle. Yan. We have a rectangle and a parallelogram. Ayan. Depende din naman yan sa polygons na ibinibigay sa atin, no? Doon natin malalaman if it is a regular or irregular kapag meron silang measurement or depende sa pinaka-itsura nila, no? So, for example, in this rectangle, as you can see, pare-parehas ang kanilang angle, which is pare-parehas silang 90 degree, pero magkakaiba yung sides niya. Bakit magkakaiba? Itong dalawang to, mas maikli kaysa dito sa dalawang to. Tama? For example, this is 2 cm. Itong side na to, 2 cm din. And this one is 5 cm. Itong side na to is 5 cm din. And the point is, magkaiba. Mayroong magkaibang measurement. Although magkakatulad yung measurement ng angles, which is 90 degree, magkaiba yung measurement ng mga sides. Therefore, it is what we call an irregular polygon. Okay? So, dito naman sa parallelogram, ayan, as we can see, itong angle na to is congruent to this angle. And this angle is congruent to this angle. Magkaiba din sila ng measurement. Itong angle na to, magkaiba dito sa angle na to. Okay? Kasi, itong angle na to is less than 90 degree, and these angles are greater than 90 degree. Diba? Remember, 90 degree is itong ganito na style. Pa-L siya. Kapag gumanya na siya, greater than 90 degree na yon. Pag gumanto siya, itong angle na to, that is less than 90 degree. Okay? So, meaning to say, it has different measurements of an angle. Also, magkakaiba din yung measurement ng kanilang sides. Therefore, this is an irregular polygon. Okay? So, ma-identify naman natin yun, no? Depende sa drawing na ibibigay sa atin. And depende dito sa mga tick marks na nakalagay sa isang polygon. Okay, so last but not the least is the congruent polygons. When we say congruent polygons, it has the same shapes. Parehas yung shapes niya. For example, dalawang rectangle, dalawang parallelogram, dalawang square, dalawang heptagon, dalawang pentagon, dalawang octagon. Basta palagi niya lang tatandaan kapag same yung size nila, magkaparehas ng itsura, it is a congruent polygons. Okay? It doesn't matter kung magkaiba yung kulay nila, basta parehas sila ng shapes, and magka-size, it is a congruent polygons. Alright? I guess that would be all for this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and sana ay may natutunan kayo sa akin in this video all about polygons. Do not forget to master the polygons, alright? So yun na nga, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell down below para palagi kang updated sa ating mga bagong tutorials and mga vlogs, alright? And of course, wag mo na rin kalimutan itong i-share sa iyong classmates and friends. And mga kapamilya, kapatid, yan. Huwag niyong kalimutang i-share. Thank you so much everyone, and always remember to make your day productive by gaining knowledge. God bless everyone, and see you on my next video.